Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is specially for teachers, presenters or coaches who are tired of shouting across the room or dealing with tangled microphone wires. I got something for you that will make your life way easier. So this is WB006, a compact and powerful wireless voice amplifier that will change how you speak to your audience. So let's unbox it and see what we got inside the box.
This little 15-watt powerhouse delivered crystal clear sound. Even in a noisy classroom or a big room, it comes with a wireless lavalier mic. So you just clip it on, turn both the mic and speaker on, and boom, you are connected. No wires, no app, no hassle. The speaker connects automatically to the mic, or you can even connect it to your phone via Bluetooth if you want to play music or pre recorded audio. Perfect for teachers, tour guides, or fitness instructors. The mic clip on to show why it's a game changer. The best part, no more headset discomfort. This lavalier mic is lightweight, clips to your shirt, and stays out of your way. Plus, it looks professional and blend right in your outfit. You get up to 15 plus hours of mic use and 7 to 9 hours of speaker time, more than enough for a full day of teaching or back to back presentations. And with a range of 15 meter or about 49 feet, you can literally leave the speaker on your desk and move around freely. Volume control is super simple with these side buttons. And if you need to pause for a second, maybe you are talking to a student or taking a break, just tap the button. It's all about convenience and control without needing to fiddle with setting. I've used this for teaching workshops, even outdoor speaking, and every time it saved my voice and made sure everyone could hear me clearly. Whatever you are soft spoken or speaking to a large group, the WinBridge WB006 has your back. If you're ready to upgrade your speaker system, check out the WinBridge WB006, reliable, wireless, and crystal clear. It just works. I leave a link below in the description. Get yours and speaking with confidence.
If you enjoy my video, please hit like and subscribe the channel for more tech and unboxing videos. See you. Bye bye.